Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level in your Porsche Cayman. It's a simple process, but requires a few specific steps to ensure accuracy. First, make sure your car is on a flat, level surface. Then, you'll want to ensure the engine is fully warmed up, ideally after a drive of at least 5 miles. Finally, familiarize yourself with the controls on your steering wheel stalk. Once your Cayman is warmed up, park it on a level surface. It's crucial that the engine remains running and idling during this check for many models. After parking, allow the car to idle for about 1 minute. This brief pause gives the engine oil a moment to settle, ensuring you get the most precise measurement from the electronic system. Now, let's access the oil level display. Using the scroll wheel or button on the right-hand steering wheel stalk, navigate through the menus on your instrument cluster. You'll want to find the Vehicle menu, then scroll down to select Oil Measurement or Oil Level. Push the stalk inward to confirm your selection and initiate the measurement. After a short countdown, your display will show the current oil level, often represented by segments or a bar graph. The optimal level is typically 1 segment below the maximum. If your oil is low, add approved engine oil slowly, in increments of about 1/2 liter, through the filler cap located in the rear trunk. Recheck the level after each addition to avoid overfilling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.